Hello, this is Andrew with the Maru Pacific. We are the flooring installers in Southern California, and today we are going to repair the ugly openings between the planks. To do that, we will have to remove the baseboard by the end of the hallway and pull the boards together. So to remove the baseboard, you have to cut the caulking line cleanly so that it doesn't damage any paintings on the wall. Then use a pry bar to remove it. And here I am doing taping the edge of the board, both sides, so that when the glue squeezed out, it's easier to clean after we pull them together. This time I am using a Gorilla Glue that sets in 5 minutes, mix and use type. I will leave a link in the description just in case you want to know what it was. So you squeeze it out and then mix them together and apply to place where you want to put them together. I used the wood stick that was in the package that I mixed it and then trying to squeeze in as much glue to between the openings, and then you gently tap it in from the edge of the board. Pull them together using a pull bar that's called a pull bar. Again, I'll leave the link in the description below just in case you need it. When you tap that in, tap it in very gently and softly. You don't want to hurt the buckle them up. Gently tap it in and then until it stops, and then you stop hitting it. Now I pulled all the boards together with the glues in between. It's a 5 minute set, so you have a very limited time to remove the tape and then clean the glue before it cures. So that's why I used the 5 minutes. I couldn't find any longer setting time from Home Depot today. So I used the 5 minutes, it was enough for me. But if you have a larger area or more spaces to close, then you may look for the 10 minutes or longer setting time. It was easy for me to clean up the first 3 or 4 places, but the last 2 spaces were pretty hard for me to remove them. You may want to use a group of kind of things to remove the glue easier, but I would recommend not to use them if not necessary, because it could also hurt the wear layer, the protective layer. After the glue cleanup, it's all good now. They set in 5 minutes, so you're good to go. It looks good to me now, as you could see from these ugly openings. Now it's all tight and clean, nice, new looking floors. Okay, thank you for watching. This is Andrew from Maru Pacific, and I hope to see you in another video soon. Okay, bye.